What's going on, everyone? Patrick here from A2 Phone Repair. Today we have a PS5 Slim that has a stuck disc inside of the disk drive. The customer said that he may have inserted 1 or 2 discs in there, he's not sure, and we're here to take it out. Any guesses to what game or disc is inside of this PS5? We will find out when we remove it. Let's get started. So what we're gonna do is remove this disk drive from the PS5. Very easy. Remove this cover, and comes out like so. So this is the top side of the drive, and then we have the bottom here. What we're going to do is remove all the Phillips screws. That way we can have access to the disc inside of this drive. So all of the screws have been removed. There's a cable up there, we're not gonna rip that. So we're just gonna remove this drive, or lift it up rather, and get this disc out of here. I'm gonna check to see if there's anything else that's lodged in there. Everything looks good. I'm gonna drop this drive back down and re-screw it. Here's the disc. And I'm not going to show you what it is until the end of the video. Any guesses? Okay, so the drive has been fully reassembled. And in case if you're wondering, the disc is Madden 2025. The 49ers on there. The disc drive has been installed back in. Here's the disc, the correct way. Took it in and eject. Looks good. Here's your Madden.